Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for subscribing. This is definitely a scary fact since sugary soda and all other drinks can harm our body and cause some health problems. So here comes the question. What will happen if we replace them with water once and forever? So keep watching the video and find out more about what will happen if you replace all the drinks with water. Health benefits. You will lose weight faster. Drinking only water for 9 days will help you burn the same amount of calories you can lose by jogging for 8 kilometers a day. This is amazing, isn't it? You speed up metabolism, boosting your energy levels. 2 cups of water in the morning will increase your metabolism by 24%. Your brain works better. The fact that the brain is composed of 75 to 83% water indicates that you can fuel it by drinking water. This will improve your concentration and brain function as well. You eat less. Water has the ability to suppress appetite, which in turn will help you to lose weight faster. Your body excretes toxins faster. Water will eliminate all the harmful toxins from your body, thus preventing aging. Water lowers the risk of many diseases. By regularly consuming water, you will be able to prevent the development of many diseases including hypertension, bladder conditions, and even bowel cancer. Your heart works better. 5 glasses of water on a daily basis will reduce the risk of heart attack by 41%. Your skin becomes softer and cleaner. The regular consumption of water will moisturize your skin, making it clean and soft. You will save a lot of money. Water is a cheaper alternative than all other drinks. Not only that, you will save a lot of money, but also your body will thank you. Think about it. Thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned for more. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. If you need more recipes, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.